Ever savoured the tangy, sweet and spicy flavours of a Jamaican-style pasta salad? It's a culinary adventure that takes your taste buds on an exotic journey. And guess what? You can recreate this experience right in your kitchen. Start off by gathering all the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of rotini pasta, half a cup of diced red bell pepper, half a cup of diced green bell pepper, half a cup of diced yellow bell pepper, half a cup of chopped red onion, 1 cup of diced cucumber, and a cup of sweet corn. Don't forget the dressing. It's a blend of half a cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of Jamaican jerk seasoning. Begin by cooking the pasta. Boil water in a large pot, add a pinch of salt and toss in the pasta. Cook it until it's al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Drain the pasta and let it cool. While the pasta is cooling, dice the bell peppers and chop the red onion. For the cucumber, peel it first and then cut it into small pieces. With the sweet corn, make sure it's drained if you're using canned corn. Once the pasta has cooled, transfer it into a large bowl and then add the diced bell peppers, chopped red onion, diced cucumber and sweet corn. Mix them all together. For the dressing, combine the mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, sugar and Jamaican jerk seasoning in a small bowl. Whisk it until it's well blended. Pour this dressing over the pasta and vegetables. Toss everything together until the pasta and vegetables are well coated with the dressing. Cover the salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together. So, to recap, cook the pasta, dice and chop the vegetables. Mix them with the cooled pasta, prepare the dressing, combine everything, and chill before serving. This Jamaican-style pasta salad is not just delicious, but also easy to make. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe gives you the chance to explore the vibrant flavors of Jamaican cuisine. It's a perfect side dish for a barbecue, a potluck, or even just a regular weekday meal. So why not give it a try? The result is a colourful, flavourful and delicious pasta salad that will transport you straight to the beaches of Jamaica. Enjoy the journey!